So this is post 4 for our speech class. Today we watched 2 videos and we're having to answer 3 questions based on the 2 videos that we watched. So question 1 is define plagiarism and explain why it is important to orally cite sources during academic presentations. So first, plagiarism is the act of taking the work of someone else and presenting it as your own work without giving credit to the person who founded the information. However, if you do give credit to the original person, it's not plagiarism. There's nothing wrong with it. You've given them credit. Second is, why is it important to orally cite the information? It's important to cite the information for 2 reasons. One is the obvious, so you're not plagiarizing by using someone else's work. Second is, by citing the sources, the audience does know that the information is credible and it's not just something that you've made up with no evidence behind it. If something's credible, there's been research behind it, and the information is correct and valid. Second question is, describe 2 helpful tips to effectively use PowerPoint as a presentation aid, and share 1 thing you've learned from the video regarding presentation aids. So first, 2 of the tips that I found effective was 1, the 6x6 rule, which is no more than 6 lines per slide and 6 words per line. By doing this, you're not going to have a huge just word block on a slide. It's not going to have a lot of words. Everything is going to be very easy for the audience to follow and read along. The second is, don't use animations or transitions. They only slow down the pace of the speech. Then share 1 thing you've learned from the video. I learned that you should keep your visual aids up long enough for the audience to see and understand. Seems very basic, but I mean, it's something that you should do for your audience. Question 3, share 1 or 2 potential presentation aids for your upcoming informative speech. A potential presentation aid that I came up for was demonstrations, using a demonstration for my informative speech of some kind, whether it's something that I'm actually showing or it's being shown in the PowerPoint or presentation.